In this video, I'm going to show you how to spawn a whale in GTA 5. As you can see here, I'm spawning one over here, these huge whales. So I'm going to show you how to download this awesome mod, and let me show you from up what they look like. So I'm gonna fly up, and here I am, like spawning multiple of them. So it's basically like a huge whale mod, and you can spawn like as many as you want. You can make a whole mountain. So as you can see, let me just spawn more. You can smash like a car with it. If you spawn it on top of a car like this one, it can smash the car. So I'm gonna show you how to download this mod. So let's start with it. First, I'm just gonna quit GTA 5. Then what you need to do now is open Google Chrome. And then you want to type in script hook v. So type in script hook v and then go to this website, and then download script hook v. Then what you need to do now is you want to type in Lua for script hook v. So type in Lua for script hook v. You're gonna find this one. Go to this link and download this one. Then you're gonna type in whale mod in GTA 5. You're gonna find this quick whale spawner. Go in and download this one as well. After you downloaded all these folders, you want to open your GTA 5 folder. So you open it from here if you have Epic Games, and you want to open your downloaded folders. So this is my downloads, 3 folders. So to start the installation, you're gonna start with the script hook v. Go here and go to bin and copy all the DLL folders, and then you want to paste them inside of your GTA 5 folder. Then you want to go into your Lua folder, and you want to copy this one and this one, and just paste them inside of your GTA 5 folder. Now you want to go here inside of the whale mod, and here you want to, inside of your GTA 5 folder, go to scripts and then go inside add-ins, and then you want to copy the whale mod right here. Just copy it and paste it in here like this, and after that you're pretty much done. So before launching the game, make sure you have launch options on and dash no battle eye written down, and now you can turn on the mod. Okay, so after you have launched your GTA 5, to spawn the whale you click on F9, and here it is, it's spawning, and you can smash the cars with it. And if you want to remove the whales, you press F10. So here it is. Let me spawn it again. It smashed the car, as you can see. Let's spawn it on this one now. See how it smashes the whole car. Like, you can spawn as many as you want. There's no limit. So you see here. So yeah, this is a very fun mod to play with, and like you can have as much fun as you want with this. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of this, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe.